So Wawel, how are you, Wawel? Do you know that he was the classmate of my husband? How are you?
I don't know what to say. Very honored, very surprised, actually. Very emotional. We did not expect that family with a disability can represent a Filipino family. Many people associate disabilities with malas, and often when a family is afflicted with a disability, they try to hide the disability in the family. But our experience is that the tragedy that has happened has become an occasion for God to enter with His grace and transform the tragedy into something that is beautiful. And I think that's what we are honoring here tonight, the beauty of God's grace in transforming the sufferings of all families. Thank you very much to Jollibee for recognizing this. I think it was a bold choice for Jollibee to do it. And I think it will create a huge ripple among people who are dealing with deep suffering, and especially for families who are taking care of members who are disabled. So maraming salamat to Jollibee.
Maraming salamat din sa iyo, Wawel, and of course your family for continuing to inspire everybody. We hope we can be like you, so strong. Thank you, and so loving. Congratulations, Nina. And she's happy? What does she do when she's happy, Wawel? How do you know when she's happy?
She's smiling broadly and shockingly.